Under a microscope, the premium finish of high-end hair extensions disappears. Instead of a clean strand, you see a jagged layer of industrial chemical residue. Independent laboratory testing confirms these coatings contain specific, dangerous compounds: lead, formaldehyde, and phthalates. Because the hair integration market is largely unregulated, a higher price tag rarely translates to a cleaner manufacturing process. Consumers are paying luxury prices for materials still carrying factory toxins. These industrial compounds sit directly against the scalp, one of the most porous areas of the body, for weeks or months at a time. This lack of oversight has turned a standard beauty service into a prolonged period of unnecessary chemical exposure. Consider a wearer like Sarah. She invested $300 in a professional install, but the style became a source of severe physical distress within 72 hours. Sarah experienced an intense, crawling itch, a common immune response to factory residues that many wearers mistake for simple dry scalp. These toxins are often triggered by a wearer's daily routine. The heat from a blow dryer or the sweat from a workout acts as a catalyst, softening the chemical coatings. As this diagram shows, when these factory residues liquefy, they slide down the hair shaft and deposit directly into the open pores of the scalp. This means that standard grooming and fitness habits actually help the body absorb industrial chemicals faster. The human scalp is uniquely vulnerable because of its high permeability. It functions like a sponge, absorbing substances much more efficiently than the skin on your arms or legs. High-density styles like braids create a scalp microclimate. This 3D cross-section illustrates how tightly woven hair traps heat and moisture, creating a literal greenhouse effect against the skin. Within this enclosed space, sweat, dead skin, and heavy metals accumulate. When worn for weeks, this toxic mixture breaches the skin barrier, entering the bloodstream for high cumulative exposure. Long-term protective styles essentially trap industrial irritants against the body, ensuring the scalp stays in constant contact with hazardous materials. These chemicals are linked to serious health concerns. Lead is a known neurotoxin, phthalates are hormone disruptors, and formaldehyde is a respiratory irritant. Even without heat, the simple friction of hair strands rubbing together releases microdoses of these chemicals that the scalp absorbs throughout the day. To reveal what traditional washing leaves behind, researchers use a home extraction test. After soaking seemingly clean hair for 24 hours, the water turns a murky gray. This sludge is the toxic biofilm standard shampoos cannot reach. This physical evidence proves that standard beauty maintenance is ineffective at removing industrial-grade chemical coatings. That lingering dirty sensation wearers feel even after washing is a sign that the industrial biofilm is still present, blocking the pores. 60% of women skipping maintenance develop follicle congestion. Chemical inflammation chokes the follicle, cutting off its nutrient supply. This weakens the hair's anchor. Combined with physical tension, it leads to permanent hair loss like traction alopecia, scarring the pore so hair never grows again. It's biologically impossible to maintain healthy hair growth when the foundation is inflamed by toxins. If invisible chemical buildup is left untreated, the result is visible, irreversible damage to the hairline. Traditional shampoos and DIY rinses lack the chemical strength to break down industrial bonds. Attempting to scrub them away often ruins the installation before the chemicals are actually gone. Effective removal requires a different approach. Bentonite clay and activated charcoal are used because they act as a heavy metal magnet. In under 90 minutes, this ritual extracts positively charged toxic particles from the follicles, pulling the heavy metals away from the skin. The ToxiTress system lets the scalp recover without requiring the wearer to loosen their braids. Aesthetic convenience should not come at the cost of your health. Use the ToxiTress Detox to clear your scalp before your next install to ensure your style isn't compromising your hairline.